In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Tiltify account. Tiltify is a fantastic platform that allows you to raise funds for your favorite charities and causes, empowering you to make a difference in the world. Whether you're hosting a small individual fundraiser or organizing a large team event, Tiltify makes it easy to manage and promote your campaign. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up an account on Tiltify. Start by heading over to tiltify.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see several options to sign up. You can sign up using an email address, or if you prefer, you can use your existing social media accounts like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook for a quicker setup. It's entirely up to you, but using social media can streamline the process by linking your accounts, which might come in handy when you're spreading the word about your campaign later on. Once you've created your account and logged into your dashboard, it's time to choose a charity to support. From your dashboard, locate and click on Create Campaign. This will take you to a section where you can browse or search for a nonprofit or charity that resonates with you. Tiltify hosts a variety of causes, so make sure to select one that you are passionate about. This connection will be the driving force behind your campaign's success. Once you've found a charity that you want to support, simply select it and continue to the next step. Now let's set up your campaign. You'll first need to choose your campaign type. You can opt for an individual campaign if you're fundraising solo, or a team campaign if you're collaborating with others. Depending on your choice, you can invite friends and family to join your team and help you reach a larger audience. Next, it's time to fill in the details of your campaign. Give your campaign a catchy name, a compelling description, and don't forget to set a fundraising goal. A visual touch can go a long way, so consider adding a banner image that represents your mission. You'll also have to pick start and end dates for your campaign, or you can keep it open-ended if you prefer ongoing fundraising. With your campaign framework ready, it's time to add some personal touches to make it truly stand out. This is where customization comes into play. Add a story section to explain why you're fundraising. It's a great way to connect emotionally with potential donors. You can also upload images and videos to make the campaign more engaging and visually appealing. Setting milestones is another effective tool. For instance, you could promise to do a fun challenge if a certain amount is raised. Lastly, consider creating incentives for donors, such as giving a shout out for those who contribute a specific amount. And there you have it! You're all set to start making a positive impact through Tiltify. Now go ahead, launch your campaign, and watch as your community comes together for a good cause.